Behind every comfortable home is a well-designed HVAC system, and this is where it all begins. As our team works inside this new build, you'll see the careful planning and precision that go into installing ductwork, air handlers, and essential ventilation lines. Every pipe, every connection, and every section of ductwork is routed with long-term performance in mind. At Presidential Ventilation Systems, we take pride in delivering systems that are built right from the foundation up. If you're building or renovating, let our experts create a home environment you can depend on. Contact us to get started.